Scikit-learn SVC always giving accuracy 0 and random data cross-validation. In the following code I create a random sample set of size 50, with 20 features each. I then generate a random target vector composed of half true and half false values. All of the values are stored in pandas objects, since this simulates a real scenario in which the data will be given in that way. I then perform a manual leave one out inside a loop, each time selecting an index, dropping its respective data, fitting the rest of the data using a default SVC, and finally running a prediction on the left out data. Now here's the strange part, I expect to get an accuracy of about 50%, since this is random data, but instead I almost always get exactly 0. I say almost always, since every about 10 runs of this exact code I get a few correct hits. What's really crazy to me is that if I choose the answers opposite to those predicted, I will get 100% accuracy. On random data. What am I missing here?
Okay, I think I just figured it out. It all comes down to our old machine learning foe, the majority class. In more detail, I chose a target comprising 25 true and 25 false values, perfectly balanced. When performing a leave one out, this caused a class imbalance, say 24 true and 25 false. Since the SVC was set to default parameters, and run on random data, it probably couldn't find any way to predict the result other than choosing a majority class, which in this iteration would be false. So in every iteration the imbalance was turned against the currently left out sample. All in all, a good lesson in machine learning, and an excellent mathematical riddle to share with your friends. Smile.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.